Oh my God, I'm excited. And you know why I'm excited? And yes, I go like this. I do it all the time. My family make fun of me, not in a mean way, in a loving way, but I get excited about absolutely everything. I will insert a photo of my husband. He was done with my excitement yesterday. We went to the Melbourne show and we went and saw all the animals, and I got excited every time I saw an animal and proceeded to tell him that we would be getting said animal when we move. Had enough of my nonsense. Anyway, so you know what this is. Oh, won't show that side. I've only cut it. I'm very excited. So let's see. The story continues. Yes, it does, Tati. Yes, it does. I can't help it. I really like Tati. Oh, she's stunning. Look at her. Look at the box. Oh, I dropped something. I mean, oh, she's stunning. Like, she's gorgeous. Details by Tati. Oh, care instructions, daily, weekly, monthly. Treat your brushes with love. Oh, yes, I absolutely will. So, okay, you know I got the Tati brushes. Let me just say this. I love Tati. I have been watching her for about 7 years, I reckon now. And I know it's been about 7 years because I started watching her when I was going through chemo. And her videos just, I don't know, I really enjoyed them. I binged them. It was a lot to watch, you know, because I hadn't, like, it was the first time I'd come across it. And yeah, so I'm very excited to support and get her brushes. Oh, she's given us some little candid pics. I love it. So I got this one. Oh, she is gorgeous. Like, honestly, and you know what? I don't buy from influencers. Not because I don't, you know, want to support them or anything. I'm just not a big on influencers, but I really like Tati. I really like her. So anyway, that's the box, and we've got some protective paper, so we'll get rid of that. And then I've got the box. I've got the brushes. So XOs, Tati, absolutely gorgeous. I'm so excited. You know what they're going to go with, don't you? Like, oh, go away. I got my hands on this when it came out. Volume 1. I'm a big book collector. My mum is a big book collector, so I was really hoping to, but you know what? It is what it is. She's back on her feet now, and I absolutely love that. Well, she's been back on her feet, but you know what I mean. She's back at it. Luxury makeup. First edition. Okay, before I open these, let me just, full disclaimer, I'm not an MUA. I am not an influencer. I don't pretend to know, you know, what's the best and the, you know, brightest out there. I'm just a simple customer. I'm a consumer, and I buy what I like, and I will just tell you what I think. Honestly, I honestly will tell you. So take with what I say with a grain of salt, you know. Watch this just for entertainment purposes and not for, not because, you know, you think I'm going to give you any kind of, oh, one dropped out. I knew it was a bit heavy. I got distracted. I don't even know what I'm saying. Okay, first off, I like that she's done this. Okay, I like that she's done this. We only throw out boxes, you know, we're not keeping any of the packaging. So what would be the point of, you know, putting in some elaborate thing? I'd rather the money go in the actual product than the packaging. Okay, so A1 for that. This feels awesome. So I'm going to do this one. So they got first edition ES4 details by Tati. So can you, sorry, you can see that first edition, and you know, and it's tape. I've seen her use this. It does come up in a point. It feels really nice. No bristles are coming out. It's got a beautiful weight to it. Oh, these are pretty. These are pretty. Okay, so we got that one. I'm going to save my favorite one that I've been really excited for last. Then we've got this one. I think it's I don't know, E8 or E6-7. This is the brow brush. Oh, where am I going? Size. That is substantial. You know, some of them are really flimsy, but that is not. Ooh, very nice. Bristle test. I'm excited. Okay, let me do this one. Now, I don't actually know what these ES6s and stuff mean. I'm just telling you what it says. Pretty. Sorry, my lighting is not that great. I'm going to muck around with a new camera. Now, I'm really, really bad at buying things and then not using them because I'm saving them for some really ridiculous, I don't know what. But I am going to use these. ES1, first edition. I don't know what the ES thing stands for. But, you know, like she says and everybody else says, use the brushes for what you want to use them for. Like, there's no rule. This I know. That you can, you know, that you can take my advice on. Oh, this is nice. Number 3. They've all got first edition on them. Pretty. I don't want to put them on my face. I've just done my skincare and I don't want to get them all young. And I got this one. This is the Essentials. Did it say? Yeah, this is the Essentials. So I know she's got other packs out there, but I wanted this one because I thought this would be a great first light for me to try out. And, you know, if I like them, I'll purchase more. She did say she was going to do individual ones. So that'd be pretty cool. So this is number 5. I like that. And then the one I'm actually the most excited to try, and I'll be trying this the next time I do my makeup. Why can't I get it out? Oh, it's really, oh, it's got glue on it. Wow, I didn't know it was like that. Oh wow. So it's this one, ES2. Can you see? So this is like hexagon. Is that the right, like this is like a kabuki. Is that what they're called? I don't know. But this is, you know, this is for your foundation. This I know. And then this one, she's like, she uses like this. I'm like really excited. Oh, let me do that again. Yes. Wow. I'm really excited to try this one. Wow. And you know what? She ships to Australia, so I didn't even have to pay. I think I paid $39, I think it was, for the postage. Can you see the detail here? I love that. I didn't even realize it was like that. Probably because I was paying more attention to this end when she was explaining the brushes than I was this end. But I love it. So this is all the brushes, okay? Yes, they ship straight to Australia. $39 I think I paid for shipping. Currency is really weak, so I think I paid around $270 to get this whole set and shipped over. Now, yes, that's expensive. Would I have spent that on somebody else? Like, I don't know. I'm just going to throw out some names. Jeffree Star, Michaela, I don't know. I probably wouldn't have spent the money, but I trust Tati, actually. I watch her do makeup all the time, and she's pretty honest in her reviews, and you know, I love the way she uses the tools and stuff, and I just knew it'd be a good product, so that's why I got it. I don't normally huge on buying, you know, influencer stuff, but I do like it. So then that's going to go quite nicely with my, do you guys remember this? Let me just get it out. I have not opened this in a minute. I don't even think I've ever used it. Have I swatched it? Maybe. I'm so spewing that she's not able to do this. But I'm so happy that she's like, oh no, I didn't even, I'm so happy that she's, didn't even use it. And I know she'd be like, use it. Like, what are you doing? Use it. But it's so beautiful, and I just don't want to, you know what, I should use it. That's what I mean. I just save things. So yeah, I'm kind of spewing that she didn't get to keep going with this, but this she's done on her own, which I love, and you know, good luck to her. Like, she deserves it. She has hustled, she has worked hard, she has had some really bad people around her, and I'm so glad that she just doesn't have that anymore. And you know what, I think she's fantastic, so I absolutely love her. And I'm really excited I got these brushes, and I am really excited that I get to show you. So let me know in the comments if you want me to let you know how they go and how they perform. Like I said, I am not an MUA, so I can only tell you me as just a everyday person what I think. And yeah, so far I think they're going to be amazing, so I'm really looking forward to it. Yeah, thank you for watching. Oh, I'll go straight into it. Didn't even tell you. My name is Sarah. If you're new here, welcome. Thanks for watching. If you are returning, thank you. I'm slowly growing and I'm very excited about it. Yeah, so leave comments below. Let me know what you think. I'm very excited. I might use them tomorrow morning. I'm going out with my bestie tomorrow. And yeah, I'm going to do my makeup. So I am keen to use this. So if you like this video, like, subscribe. I'm slowly growing with every video that I do. I am slowly growing. I'm not getting a whole bunch of views. I'm getting very little like engagement, but I'm loving the engagement. So thank you very much for doing that. And thank you very much for subscribing, because I am growing slowly, and it just excites me every time I have a look and I've got a new subscriber, or I've got a comment, or I've got a like or a watch. It's just exciting. So I really love it. Thank you very much for that. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Thank you. Ciao, ciao, bye.